Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage comment privacy on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage comment privacy on Bigo Live. Maybe because you get some inappropriate comments on your post and you want to get rid of this thing. Or maybe you want to limitize the comments so that you don't get any harmful comments. Or it could be any other reason for you to manage the privacy of comments on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Bigo Live app looks. We have a lot of live streams and you could say creators on our home screen. Other than that, we have some options at the top, which are the categories, and at the bottom we have some options. Right now we are into the home sections. After it, you just have to simply go into the profile option, which is this option. This is written me. You just have to simply click onto this option and then you will land into your profile section. There, first you will read the title of me at the top left, and you will see your name and your profile picture and other information related to your account. Now here what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on this settings icon, this one. Once you tap onto this option, you will get into the settings page. Once you get into the settings, there you will find different options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options, what you have to do here is that you have to simply click this first option, which is privacy. Obviously, hiding and limiting the comments is a matter of privacy, therefore this option will be available there. So now we have to click on privacy and then we will land into the privacy section. First you will read the title privacy, and there you will see other options as well. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options, first you have to scroll down a bit, and there you will see this option which says comment post. Once you tap on it, you will get 5 options. So it says allow comments from everyone. If you want everybody to be able to comment on it, then you can go with the first option. And if you want to go with the second option, and then only the peoples who you follow and the people who follow can comment on it. And if you go with the third option, your fans could comment, and with the fourth option, only people you follow could comment. And if you click this last option, then no other person will be able to comment on your photos or videos. So you can choose any one of these options, whatever you prefer the most, you can go with that. You just have to simply tap onto any one of these options, and once you tap on it, you have to click on this option confirm, and that option will be selected and the comments privacy will be set according to it. So here once I tap on confirm, the comment section, or you could say comment privacy, will be set according to what option you have selected. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage comment privacy on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.